and welcome to Career 360. Due to the recent pandemic situation that the world is facing, the government has decided to keep the schools closed until the situations are back to normal. Now, to reduce the burden of the students for class 9 to 12, the CBSE has decided to reduce the syllabus to around 30%. Now, this is a sign of relief for the class 9th and 10th students, but at the same time, it leaves the students of class 10 plus 2 in a situation of confusion because they are also preparing for the competitive exam at the same time. NEET is the major competitive exam that is conducted in India for the medical aspirants. Now, the syllabus of NEET is dependent on the curriculum of class 11th and 12th. So, definitely if the syllabus is changed or if some portion of the syllabus has been deleted, it will have an impact on the NEET preparation for the students. So, here we are trying to present a detailed analysis of what will be the impact of deleted syllabus on the NEET preparation. So first, let's have a look at the deleted portion of the syllabus. Out of the 22 chapters in class 11, CBSE have made changes to 11 chapters. And in some chapters, they have just removed some portion of the chapter. For example, they have removed taxonomy and systematics, morphology of the plant parts other than the flower, or they have removed the sectional study of dicot or monocot leaves. Whereas in some chapters, they have removed the whole content. That means they have deleted the chapter. For example, transport and plant or locomotion and movement, or digestion and absorption. So this is how they have made changes in all the units except unit 3 in class 11. Now in class 12, rather than removing just some portions, they have completely removed 5 chapters out of 16 and they account for 30% reduction in the syllabus. So this is how they have made changes in class 11 and 12 each. So the major portion of the deleted syllabus that will have impact on NEET examination is from class 11, and that forms the basics of other topics such as taxonomy and systematics, or morphology of the plant parts other than flower, or anatomy of dicot or monocot leaves. So these are the topics that form the basics of other topics, and hence it is of much importance with perspective of NEET and student need to prepare. Now the second thing is that according to the last 5 years papers for NEET examination, we have observed that many of the deleted portions have major questions asked in NEET. They have been asked 3 to 9 questions from each deleted portions. So students need to prepare this content which has been deleted, and they can do it easily because the portion which is not deleted will have a link with the deleted portion and the student will be able to cope up easily. Now the third thing is there are some units which have higher weightage in NEET examination, such as plant physiology, animal physiology, or genetic and evolution, and there are some chapters that have been deleted from these units as well. Now the chapters that have been deleted are still easier to cope up with, maybe because they have a basics in some other chapters or we have already studied in the lower classes. So let us see what are the points that the students need to remember while preparing for NEET. Now the first point is you have to pay attention, or you have to work harder on the topics that have been deleted, such as classification, taxonomy, morphology, anatomy. So these are the basics of other topics, so you have to prepare it thoroughly. Now the second thing is you have to remember that there are some syllabus or some portion that has been deleted which is easier to prepare. But that doesn't mean that you will not prepare, because the questions have been asked from such chapters. Okay, so the third point is you have to pay attention to some of the chapters or topics which is difficult, such as evolution or sensory organs or diseases related to different physiologies. Also, there are some portions that have been deleted from the practicals, and the questions asked in the NEET examinations are related to such practicals. So you will also go through such practicals which have been deleted. So these are the points that you need to remember while preparing for NEET. So we can conclude that the topics that have been deleted, or the chapters that have been deleted, will not have much impact on NEET preparation, because students can easily prepare them on their own. So you should take it as a sign of relief, since you can prepare faster for your board examination because the syllabus are less and you will be left with ample of time to prepare for NEET. So all the best.